Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern typographic poster design in Photoshop. Go to the adjustments and add a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool. Change its font to Anton Regular. Type the text. Follow my text settings. Hold the Alt button and drag for a copy of it. Change the text. I place this text on the left side of the canvas. Hold the Alt button and drag for a copy of it, and then moved it to the right side. Apply the same setting for the left side text. Select both the text layers, right-click on them, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Do this for the same text layer. Place a ruler line above and below both texts. Now transform the first text from the right side and transform the second text on the left side. This will create a balanced visual effect that enhances the overall composition. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Perspective. Follow the process. Do the same for the next right side text. Select both smart layers, right-click on them, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and Tilt-Shift Blur. Rotate it and follow me. Select the car image and a copy of it, then place it in the main project. Select Menu and Subject. Add a layer mask to it. Transform its size. If this helped you, hit subscribe. More insane effects dropping daily. Select the Jaguar car layer. Use the lasso tool and make a selection of the shadow. And press Ctrl J. Drag it down in the layer panel and change the blend mode to multiply. Add a layer mask to it. By using the brush tool, remove the unwanted part of the car shadow. Then I have this logo, and I drag and place it, then transform it in the design. Then add some other Jaguar car-related text on the main car poster design. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer. Change its blend mode to hue. You can change the color on it with one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments section. If you enjoyed the effect, smash the like and share it with your editor friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your designer friends. Comment below which typography style you want next: minimal, futuristic, neon, or kinetic. Thanks for watching. This is Swastik Creations Lab. See you in the next Creative Boost.